Good morning, all. Welcome to the class. Today we'll discuss about nutrition. All organisms require energy and material, or we can tell that as nutrients. So also the cells at the microscopic level. So as a whole body requires energy and materials at the nutrients. Also the cell also require the energy and the materials. The energy is required for carrying out various activities by the cell, and the materials are required for growth, development and repair. So you can tell us the energy is required for carrying out the life processes, and materials are required for the growth, development and repair of the body, and at microscopic level by the cells. This energy and the nutrients are derived from food. We can see across the living organisms, some organisms prepare their own food like plants, and some other organisms depend on others for their food like animals. Accordingly, depending on the dependency of food, organisms are of two types. One type of organism is called autotroph, and the other one is called heterotrophs. Autotrophs are those which prepare their own food, and the heterotrophs are those which depend on others for their food. Little bit more we will discuss about autotroph. Autotrophs are the organisms which prepare their own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, using energy from an external source like sunlight or from some chemical substances. So autotrophs prepare their own food. The food in terms of glucose, it is formed from the inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water by utilizing one source of energy, rather one external source of energy. So we can summarize that the autotrophs use simple and inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water. They form complex food like glucose with the use of the energy from some external source like sun. In terms of chemical reaction, we can write as CO2 plus H2O giving rise to C6H12O6. So carbon dioxide plus water giving rise to glucose. So this occurs in case of autotrophs. We have told that carbon dioxide and water are simple inorganic materials. They give rise to form the complex and organic material like glucose. You can easily see how the simple substances like carbon dioxide in the left side, water in the left side, they form glucose in the right side. See that the glucose is a complex molecule, and this is also organic, but the carbon dioxide and water are inorganic materials. Now come to photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. Or a little bit deeper explanation, the process by which plants prepare complex organic molecule like glucose from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, and oxygen is released as byproduct. So this process is called photosynthesis. The chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 6H2O. It utilizes sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll to form glucose C6H12O6 plus 6 oxygen. So now we'll see what occurs during photosynthesis. First thing occurs is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Secondly, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. Thirdly, reduction of carbon dioxide to form carbohydrate. Means reduction of carbon dioxide means addition of hydrogen. We have read in chemical reactions, the addition of hydrogen is called reduction. So reduction of carbon dioxide to form carbohydrate. So actually what happens here, the energy of sun which comes in the form of sunlight is stored in carbohydrates. This is photosynthesis and is a part of autotrophic nutrition.